Nan, Babo, Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Iluwi Season.
Marco Nanan, ng We're in Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga daw ngayon, excited kami kasi may invite kami kayong bayong restaurant Amemo Kulat Kenny, Banda San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes. Ilagyo na is Yoshi-Meat-Su.
So from the name itself, balamot yung pagkakaya, Japanese. Ano yung sabi na Kenny, it's a Japanese-Korean restaurant. So yeah, it's gonna be a arigato day. Bayan nyo kami po.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so kadatang mo Kenny Yoshi-Meat-Su, actually kailangan mo magpa-register Kenny. Baka ta sama sa date ang table mo, so magpa-register ta mo.
Name, sir? We're in
Louis.
Pampanga.
Yes.
Big table 9.
Alright, so hintay tayo na matawag tayo. Tara. So may house ta na. Tulog ta na. Alright, so as soon as you enter guys, maka-ready na yung table. So that's our table right there. We're gonna give you a tour or what it feels like nung nanumangan Kenny. And it's gonna be exciting. Abangan nyo kami po. Before we start in kaya katamong actual, eating discuss kayo mo kaya kayo retang nanonoy kayong kaida menu board. So King Grill, when you order actually atin lang like 8 kinds of meat, 4 beef at saka 4 pork. Aside from that, retang aliwang grilling the atin like pork intestine, ating cheese ball, seafood cheese ball, ating yakitori, ating chicken liver, atin mo naman Kyoto beef roll, mga yan. Tofu, ampong, tazakuri. Side dishes na guys. Atin la like 19 side dishes. Included kayong side dishes na ating tempura, ating beef roll, ating maki, ating mo naman soup, ating mo naman salad, ating egg, kimchi rice, and wow, cheese. So aside from the unlimited, nanong ating kayong table tamang ini, atin la mo naman like premium grilling or platter. Ayan, depende kung nanong buriyo Kenny. At yun naman ketang menu so pilihan nyo na lang. But so since etala balo rin karelang sauces, I mean first time tala nga encounter, pasaup ta mo bakan ta, explain de kaya kata mo. So kasama natin si Sir RV.
Meron po tayong sir, samjang po or mixed soybean paste po. Meron po tayo spice vinegar or Japanese vinegar sir.
Okay.
Miso sauce.
Miso sauce.
Yes po. Yoshi sauce or tempura sauce po.
Tempura sauce.
Tapos meron po tayong gochujang na chili paste po siya, sir.
Chili paste.
Soy sauce or kikuman.
Okay.
Tapos black pepper po. Salt. Togarashi po or chili powder po.
Chili powder.
Tapos ayun po, sir.
Atin laki ni Kai. Pig intestine. Wow. Aside from the food itself, actually the serve the Kenny are premium food, including the meat, ang po retang araw ang side dishes. I think in metong na ineliminate na Kenny is itang mamaus kang mamaus server or tang waiter mo yan mouse kang waiter, manyad ka kaya sabihan mo na ng buri mo. Kaya Kenny guys, since automated, gagamit ka mo malamong tablet keto. Mamili ka na ng buri mo, just click send. And then, service is really fast. So, in a matter of like 30 seconds, mga yan, makwada na itang order mo, serve na agad kaya. Alright, so kining gulot ko guys, this is where they all prepare the dishes. Yeah, so, sabi na, so what is a samgyeopsal place? without itang traditional na samgyeopsal with the lettuce and meat, mga ganyan din. So, kasantingan kayo ni, hanggang alin mo na ititil or makalagay lang kasi karingan ti kanining container. So, palang tutugtugan mo na yan, mas malinis. This one's huge. Wow. My take about the place, actually for a price of 549 pesos, for the ambience, it's really elegant na kasi pansinan mo lang rin kay Kenny, medyo copper, gold, malinis na ang setup mga yan. Kaya naman pamangan guys, grabe, every flavored meat na iserve na kay Kenny. At din talagang distinct taste ang pong flavor mga yan. Although mo na balo nung nalalagyo mga yan, pero balo na aliwa yung pengan mo. So in samgyeopsal da Kenny guys is a Japanese version of samgyeopsal. The best. So another restaurant to try, another option on your list. Try po ini Yoshi-Meat-Su, located dyan po ini Kening San Agustin, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Malapit siya mo po kayong Vista Mall. Wita, enjoy samgyeopsal the Japanese way. Available lang mo nung pala kayo rin kay wagyu beef, which is super premium, lalong-lalo na karetang maninton authentic wagyu beef. So available na po kayo nito. Wait, ano pang gagawa nyo? Muntahan ako kayo ni. Dakla salamat po kayong pamanalbe. Until our next discovery. Peace out. Bye!